Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2022 Wave 3. We have Ryan Blaney's Libman next gen car. On the back you get Kyle Busch, Christopher Bell, Kevin Harvick, and many more. And all others too. Let's get Ryan Blaney out of the box. So here we have the sticker, which is obviously his classic number 12. His name, yellow, red, and black on both ends. I have no idea why. Anyway, here is Ryan Blaney's car. So Ryan Blaney does drive the number 12 car. And obviously this year, or one of his cars sponsor was Libman. And usually on all Ryan Blaney schemes with the Menards paint scheme, usually the front of the car will usually be in a different color, and this would also be a different color too. Like if it was Peak, it would be blue. If it was like Richmond's water heaters, it would be black. So obviously the classic, paint scheme, it still is the same paint scheme from last year's model. And obviously still with the yellow spoiler now. Menards obviously still sponsors him. And obviously now the rims is now silver instead of like yellow, because with the new next gen cars, the tires are now different colors. I also mentioned that in Joey Logano's video. I didn't mention in Joey Logano's video because I forgot to, which now his tires are now black instead of red rims. Instead of red rims, he's got black. So anyway, still got the yellow wing, the classic black number 12, Menards. Yeah, obviously the 12 is now moved to the side. So I'll give you a 360 view of Ryan Blaney. And I think that'll do it for today's video. Well, thanks for watching this video, and more videos will come out soon of new NASCAR Next Gens later this week. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching.